Jeff Whitney duel at the Dogtrot. I'm on the north side today. The sun is just starting to set. It's a Monday afternoon, and it's been a less than exciting day, but maybe some changes are about to come about. Some changes that hopefully will benefit both of us, but right now I'm alone, which pleases me in a lot of ways because I can get done more so and not relying on my brother to do it because he's as bad as I am or maybe even worse. Starting something and never finishing it, that's kind of the topic of the day, and I need to make something happen here in my sales because of the equipment I need for the next film. I'm going to try to do is it's not only going to be a film, it's going to be a way of digitizing objects that are here on Earth and then transporting them into the other plateau or platform or other world. But I have a store up there which maybe I should breeze by and just shoot a breeze shot of it tonight and introduce you to one of the characters there. His name is Kip, and he was my first avatar. So he could do it. Well, he doesn't talk. Not set up for talk. I don't like the voice avatar talking because the lips aren't in sequence. Now maybe if I went to the Benton head, which I might do that with him. I don't know because I haven't changed him up in a long time, and his clothes are outdated anyways, and I don't have that much for him. But I'm sitting here enjoying the end of the afternoon, playing off some boards. Jonathan is on his way. Johnny is on his way down to New Orleans to scope out some new markets and to give me a little breather here and figure out what's what. So wish him the best and the safest, and see you when you get back. In the background here, you can see well, actually, Johnny's living in that Airstream now, and then this building on the side here. Let's see if I can turn it. There we go. With all the big planks on it are actually cracked slabs that have to be cleaned to make tables. That's a Tidewater cypress. And that trailer in the back, I've had that for, gosh, 15 years. I think it's a 1985 Lexus 3-axle. It's never going to go anywhere because I put it up on blocks. I don't like towing. I actually don't like going anywhere these days. I'm perfectly happy right here in my little neck of the woods. But sometimes it's a need to go out, and I have a trip that I need to do if I want to get this show somewhat start kicked, which I do, in Baton Rouge on the 27th with Louisiana Film and Entertainment Producers, which I'm a member of, and it's a good place to network and find out what's going on. Plus, the governor of Louisiana is going to be there. Not that I have anything to do with him or meeting him or anything like that. I'm just kind of a plain old Jeff, living out in the country and kind of documenting it. It's sometimes sad, sometimes it's amusing, but it's what I've chose to do. And hoping in some way it will help. I really don't know, but I'm trying. I have a film that I'm working on now that's going to hopefully be selected to be in the Moog Music and Film Festival in May. And I have another film to do, which I know I've been selected for, is in Colorado at the Supernova, which is an outdoor screening, a series of 40 and 60-foot screens throughout the city of Denver. I did that just last year in September, so I have to get ready for that. And my show, Life at the Dogtrot. Uh, we have safely to say about 67 cuts now, or chips or clips, or they're not films, they're just short little minuets. Uh, Try to keep them underneath 10 minutes, but sometimes I run a little bit over. It's my show, I do whatever I want to do. So, with that said, a lot of little ticky tasks to take care of while John Boy is gone, and try to set a base and start pulling the reins in on this operation and make something happen. I talk about make something happen. It's got to come from me. I'm the captain of the ship, so either you sail with me or you don't. But I'm sailing on, and I'm going to make it. And I hope you guys will be following me in my diaries of life at the Dogtrot. What an adventure. What drama will we get into next? But I love it out here, and I like the people around, and I'm just looking forward to getting some acknowledgement in making something happen. Anyways, I'm going to sign off now, and I will probably slide you a little clip of what I'm doing up in Second Life. Look forward to it. Remember, be safe out there. This is Jeff Whitney Duell at the Dogtrot for Life at the Dogtrot. Thank you very much for viewing.
Hello? Awful. There are several people on the line. I can't hear you. Ask them to put you through again. Hello? Yeah, ask them to put you through again. I said, ask them to put you through to me again. Look, please get off the line. I tell you, I'm not Dr. Weinsberg. Hello?
My grade on this is an A plus. Check this out. I mean, it's a B cheeseburger. The price is $4.50. That's a deal. Anyways, this is Jeff Whitney Duell at the Boyd's Ice Cream Parlor in Angie, Louisiana.